The stroke width tool in Affinity is one of the easiest ways for beginners to make their lines look more professional, stylish, and natural, and you can start using it right away by going to the toolbar and selecting the stroke width tool, or simply pressing the W key on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Once it's selected, click on any curve you've already drawn with tools like the pencil tool, pen tool, or path brush tool, and you'll see that the stroke width tool lets you control the thickness of that line in a super intuitive way. Just click on the curve to add a pressure point, then drag the little handle outward to make the stroke thicker or inward to make it thinner, kind of like pinching or stretching the line by hand. And as you add more pressure points, Affinity automatically blends them together to create a smooth pressure profile, so your stroke looks tapered and natural instead of flat and uniform. In the Context toolbar, you'll see a few beginner-friendly options. Lock line weight keeps the thickest part of your line from going past the original stroke size, which is great if you're still learning and want to avoid accidentally making huge bumps in your line. If you turn that off, you can go beyond 100% width and create more dramatic stylized variations, and Affinity will automatically adjust the pressure graph for you. Lock point ordering stops pressure points from crossing over each other, which helps beginners keep everything in the right order along the curve, but turning it off lets you rearrange them if you want more freedom. Then you have Snap to Curve nodes, which makes little white nodes show up on your path so you can snap pressure points to exact positions, perfect for getting clean, controlled strokes. And Snap to Widths on same curve, which, when paired with the Shift key, helps you match the thickness of other pressure points on the same curve so everything stays consistent without guessing. And if you ever feel like you've added too many pressure points or the stroke looks messy, you can simply click Reset Profile to instantly bring the line back to a smooth, uniform width. Overall, the stroke width tool is super beginner friendly because it gives you full control over how your line grows, narrows, and tapers without needing a drawing tablet or advanced skills. And once you practice adding and adjusting a few pressure points, your line art, illustrations, and logos will start looking way more polished and professional in just a few seconds.